Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own 360 wig at home. Guys, stay tuned, watch this video to the end.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and
I am going to cut the excess lace because we don't need it.
you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon.
So after cutting, I'm going to put the ventilated lace on the wig cap.
An obsession. That's how you keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever.
The next thing I will do is to stitch the lace to the wig cap. So I'm going to stitch the lace to the wig cap.
My life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend of me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the patient lasts. If you can move on.
So this is how it is going to be after you have stitched the lace to the wig cap. Now we are going to attach the hair to the wig cap. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video as well.
Look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
I'm going to continue with this process till I get to the top. And this is the last stitch that I'll be doing on this wig. After the stitching, I'm going to cut the wig cap, that is the excess wig cap under the lace, to make the lace transparent. So guys, this is how our wig turned out to be. I hope you're going to stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to fix this hair on my client's hair in my next video. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video as well. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video.